guys, welcome to my makeup room. This is how it looks. There's a lot of lights and yeah, I'm gonna turn on the lights so you guys can see how it looks. So that's how the vanity looks. It's super pink and glittery and gold and pink. So I'm just gonna go around and show you guys a little bit more in detail, and then yeah. So this is the first thing that I have when you walk into my makeup room. I have a little board. Sometimes I write appointments but yeah. So I have that, and I have a mirror right next to it. I bought that white little cube thing on Amazon. I think it was like $26. And then I have just brushes back there, the markers for my board, and then a little plate with roses because I guess I just like roses. And then a little plant, mi bamboo right there. I actually got this ones at Home Goods. This is like for books, and I got them on sale. I think they were like $3.50, and they're like granite. They're like super heavy, so I decided to put some of my makeup palettes on there, and then a little plate with some of my jewelry and a penny right there. Cool. Yeah, so I have a plate right there with my jewelry. I don't wear much, but yeah. There's my ring light, and then I got that little, like, it's like for a backdrop, but I mean it looks good as a curtain, right? And then I got those purses at Aldo. I'm not really into purses, but I thought they would look good with my makeup room. So this is very special to me. This is my daughter's ashes, and then I just have this in memory of her. So it's Aliana Leilani, which she will be 3 years at the end of this month. And yeah, I just have all her things here. This was our pregnancy reveal, which was kind of like a movie type of thing. It's pretty cool. This was my 3D ultrasound, and then yeah, just pictures of us, and then this is like a little blanket, and then the stuff from the hospital are in the little box. So yeah, this is what it is. I wanted to make it really nice and special for her. And yeah, just have a lot of butterflies coming out of it and going to the window. I hope you guys could see that. Yeah, and then I decided to add some flowers because I love roses as well. And then I have like the curtain lights, which are my favorite too. And then this is one of my favorite things that I added right now, which are the little dots. I wanted to do like this wall with glitter, like a glitter wall, but I just felt like I wanted to do something different. This chair, my boyfriend got it for me. I think he got it at Nebraska Furniture Mart. It's like a bar type of chair, like it goes up and down, so it's really good for me when I do hair and makeup. And then this little nice blanket, I got it at JCPenney. I actually got it on sale, and it's so nice. I love it. I think I only paid for it like $15. Those pink lights, I got them at Walmart for only $5. And then this clear chair, I got it at Ross for like $30. And then this pink rug, I got it at Hobby Lobby It was also on sale. They have a sale when they're like 50% off, and it was like $11. I used to have a white one, which I still have it, but I decided to change it for this pink one. I just felt like it was always dirty, or maybe I'm just really messy. So yeah, I decided just to switch it up for a pink one. Hopefully I can do better with this one. I have some roses up there because I told you guys I love roses. And then I have my name spelled out here, Rosa. And on the first one I just have like some gold brushes. I don't use them, I just got them because they were gold and they were gonna match with my makeup room. Here I just have some like pigments and glitter from MAC. And then my favorite collection, and it matches my room, is the Dose of Colors Desi X Katie collection. And then the ColourPop My Little Pony collection. And this is how the circles look. I freaking love it. I am obsessed with my wall right now. It looks like it has pimples, but nice pimples. Yeah, so I'm gonna move on to this one. So this is just like a little sign that says hashtag MakeupByRositaa. Here I just have another collection. This is the makeup Shayla, the Shayla whatever ColourPop collection. And then here I just have more palettes, which are my Morphe palettes and my Jaclyn Hill palette. Here I have one of my favorite collections. I just love the colors, and you guys know it goes with my makeup room, which is the MAC Patrick Star collection. And here I just have some of my business cards and some of like the little containers so I can put some lipstick for my clients. Here I have more lipsticks, and here I have Pancha and my face stuff. Now I'm gonna move on to my vanity. I have a lot of things and I'm just gonna do it really fast. Here I have some of the brushes. I need to clean them out because sometimes I don't even use all of these brushes. I use other ones. Here I have like my MAC highlighters and bronzers and powders and highlighters and stuff like that. And here is where I have my beauty blenders, which I have more, but they're in my makeup bag. Like when I do makeup for other people, I don't have them there, but I have more. I have more palettes here and lipsticks. Here I have all my ColourPop lipsticks, my lip eyeliners and tweezers and all that stuff. And here is the brow stuff. Moving on, in the first one I have blushes, I have bronzers right here and some highlighters. The next one I have some of eyeshadows and things for my contacts and earphones. The next one I have all my eyelashes. Look at that. Sorry, all my eyelashes. And then of course my favorite eyelashes, which are the Cocoa Lashes, and I have a bunch of them. And then here I have like my hair stuff, and the rest is in the bathroom. This one right here, I just have like all my eyeliners, my mascaras, my eyelash colors. Here I have more. I don't really use these ones, but I just have them here. Like they're like highlighters, and there's glitter everywhere. Here I have more of my powders and my foundations. And this one I have primers and concealers. Look, I did my makeup and you can see my concealer right there. Here is my favorite one. This is all my glitter, and I have little rhinestones right there, so you know when I have like a little inspiration, I have it all there. And then here I just have eyelashes, and I'm not gonna open this one because you guys know we all have the one that has a lot of stuff, and that's that one. And I think that's it. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna go a little circle so you guys can see. Hi. You guys can see like how my makeup room looks. So there's the door when you walk in, and then there's a little mirror and a closet, which I'm not gonna open that one because it's a mess and I want to clean it out and do more stuff like makeup, you know, like for storage. And then here I have my purses, my favorite part of my makeup room, which is for my baby girl Aliana. I love you, baby. And then butterflies, and then all this stuff. I have 2 chairs and I want to get more. It's that crazy. And then yeah, that's how my makeup room is. I know I have a lot of stuff and it probably looks crazy, but I love it. I think now it's like finished. The only thing I need to do right now is basically the closet. And yeah, this is my makeup room. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoy my makeup room video. If you guys do, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also leave me a comment down below. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching.